Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you what your options are on a task itself in Google Tasks. So let's say I've got one of my lists open, I've got some tasks to choose from. If I hover over it, you'll see it turns a little bit gray. I'm going to click on the little snowman menu, and that's going to show me my task options. And once I've clicked on that, I can move this task to the top of the list. I can add a subtask. A subtask is something you would use if a task is complex. It's got several steps or tasks that need to be completed along the way, and you want to keep track of all of those subtasks to make sure you're on track. But you can add a subtask, or you can delete the task, or determine which list that task should be on. So in terms of organizing your tasks, there's actually a lot of different ways you can do that in terms of the order in which they appear, whether it's a task, a main task, or a subtask. If it's done or you don't need it, it can be deleted, whether or not it's on the right list. Lots of different ways you can take control over that.